Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming PS5 firmware and enabling peripherals. Update the system software so drivers are present. Next, plug a wired keyboard and mouse into the console's USB ports. This avoids pairing delays. If you prefer wireless, go to Settings Accessories Bluetooth devices to pair. Note that not every adapter works. Once done, make sure both devices register under Settings Accessories so the game can detect inputs. This first step prevents input lag and access problems later. You now tailor Enlisted's in-game controls to match your hardware. Open Settings and navigate to controls for mouse and keyboard, then bind core actions, fire, aim, reload, sprint, so keys and buttons feel intuitive. Adjust mouse sensitivity and invert Y only if you prefer. Small changes prevent overshooting targets. Next, tweak dead zone and smoothing to eliminate drift and choose polling rate in Windows or device settings if available. Once done, save a profile per class, so you switch setups quickly between infantry and vehicle roles. You finish by validating performance and knowing quick fixes. Jump into a training match and test aim, recoil control, and key bindings, and refine sensitivity in small increments. If the mouse or keyboard stops responding, replug devices and restart the console. Check Settings Accessories and Accessibility to ensure nothing blocks input. If wireless issues persist, disable USB power save or repair the adapter, because many connection problems are power or pairing related. Finally, save your working profile so you never lose a tuned setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.